I'm adding my okra and then ayoyo to it. Okay, my banku is ready, so I'll leave you. Yeah, pouring this one on.
As you can see, this one is banku and okra stew or
Soup.
Okra soup. Yes, it's a local Ghanaian indigenous dish. You see, it can only be found in Ghana.
Subscribe. Hello lovely family, welcome back to Eagle Eyes and Girl. We are so happy that you guys have been following us up to date. Please, if you like this video, give the video thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, our TikTok, and also leave your comment in the comment section. Subscribe. Please, this video that we are going to do is because of you guys that we are bringing it out. For you guys to give the comment to encourage us to do more. So please keep subscribing and liking and the comment and there. Okay, in today's video we are going to prepare grasscutter meat with okra soup. Then we are going to enjoy it with banku. So please sit up and watch out. My auntie is going to introduce the ingredients in Chi. So please sit up and then watch out.
Na my de be akrantie akrantie nam na de be nkruma no so ye mako form wisa nketen pepper esuru wisa nketen ena jene sorry ye de be gum eni wa nkruma ye de be ye ni Ayoyo ayedibeye nkrumana eni ana yenyado.
Now guys, let's get to work. So all of this in front of us, we are putting it together right now, and the process starts now. Do wait to like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for more videos like this. If you have any recipe requests, kindly leave it down there at the comment section and Victoria is going to attend to it. All right, so we are starting out with our banku. All you have to do is put your cassava and corn dough together and mix it, dissolve it with your hands and water. Just make sure everything is mixed together so that when you put it on fire, it's not going to have lumps. Okay, so mix everything properly, mix well to your desired texture or how you want it to, just how you want it to mix. Okay, but just do it well. Follow Victoria's instruction. Okay, she's the best. Now we have set our fire. All we're gonna do now is place our pot on fire containing the banku. That's the cassava and the corn dough. We leave it there for some time. Get back to other parts of the business of the day. We blend our okra, grating it with something or slice it with knife, whichever ways you want it, and set our fire and have our meat boil here while we schedule between the banku and coming back to check our soup. So we want to save time as much as we can. Actually, this is the Ghanaian meal that I can recommend if you're in a hurry, if you don't have time, if you're tired. You see, banku and okra soup is highly recommended, like saves a lot of time. So this is our grasscutter meat boiling, steaming, and we added our tomato, onions, garlic, pepper, ginger blend together, and we had our okra mixed with nothing, like mixed with the ayoyo, that's the vegetable we showed you earlier in the video, and mix it together with the garden eggs, mix well, and then added our fish into the boiling pot of meat. Okay, so whichever protein you choose to use is absolutely all right, but we are using Grasscutter and also fish. So we add in our palm oil. Okay, this is very important if you're making soup. Okay, do not get confused. We have stew, okra stew, and we have okra soup. So what we are making in this video is okra soup. Now we are back to our banku as we leave our meat to continue boiling with the palm oil to mix. Let's turn our banku and get it ready. This is where the real energy comes to life, so make sure you're ready for this. Okay, this is taking a lot of strength, a lot of strength to do, so I would rather say it takes determination. Okay, so you just be ready for this. Stir everything until it is smooth, and everything, once it's cooked, the texture is going to change and you will know that it is ready. So by this time, Victoria continue to add the fire. She just so perfect with these things. Please don't forget to give her a thumbs up. It encourages her when she sees your likes, sees your comments, sees your subscription. Keep on watching to encourage her. Okay, like I said, if you have any recipe requests that you want to make, you want her to prepare, all you have to do is to comment down there at the comment section. If there's anything you want to learn, anything you want to see her do, I mean any type of Ghanaian food that you want her to make, just comment down below and she'll get it done. Now our banku is ready. It looks so good. I love the color. So sometimes you see that banku is, some looks whitish, this one looks yellowish, because as if she just did it the best, like she mixed everything equal. Okay, when you mix more of the cassava, there's tendency to get it white. When you mix more of the corn, there's tendency to get it yellow. But this is perfect, as I loved it, like so interesting. So Victoria continued to smoothen it like so and place it inside the head plates, the head pots. So this is how Ghanaian eats their food, okay, with this. So we're going back to the soup to check and see what's been happening there, boiling as always. So we are going to add our okra into the protein. Just see how beautiful it looks. So if you don't do it like this, it's not going to slump, it's not going to draw properly. So you have to boil your okras and every other thing, like okra, garden egg, and ayoyo separate. Okay, so you mix it together at the end of the whole cooking. So this is what it looks like. This is actually so beautiful and very loving. Like you see, it looks beautiful and it tastes amazing. All right, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe.
Hey, Kosia, come. Now you can see. My banku is ready, so it's time for me to serve with okra soup. We didn't prepare okra stew, it's okra soup. This one is okra soup with Grasscutter meat. I rather pour it. Oh, yeah, pouring this one on. Another one is
snap you. Oh, it's a Nina. You must say Nina. You know, camera ring on. Oh, no, maybe the camera and you know, and then one of the China is I did the idea. Yeah, I did something. Yeah.
Let's eat. The food is ready. Is someone coming now? The food is ready, please. You can join us. So don't forget to subscribe and like.
Oh, dear subscribers, dear sharers, dear commentators, please. It is radio. Today's own is
I'm leaving everything.
Banku
And okra soup.
Banku and okra soup. I swear.
Let my brother speak.
He has already done everything.
Is that all his heart?
Welcome once again to Eagle Eye Angle.
Very sweet.
As you can see, this one is Banku and Okra stew or
Soup.
Okra soup. Yes, it's a local Ghanaian indigenous dish. You see, it can only be found in Ghana, West Africa to be precise. Thank you all.
Can't get it anywhere.
Join us. We've been always saying, you like it, you share, and you subscribe. Thank you.
You see how the food is laughing at me.
Hi. Oh.
Do you hear the noise?
Again. Because I'm tired.
You hear the noise? The food is laughing at us. So.
Sammy, yeah, what does everyone you?
Let me tell you, not eating.
Charlie,
Oh.
it's very delicious.
Meat. This why if you don't have cutlass, you can't eat. You have to eat and cut.
Joining out here, no coffee, say. No, so we try, no, maybe, no cosa.
Meat. Be careful, don't eat for us. So.
Papa. Oh, ready.
Guys, keep on sharing, liking, and subscribing.
The more has any medieval here. Oh, dear, I heard me now. All right, come on, crab. Or going boom, come on.
I swear. Very great food. With wires.
Subscribe to the channel. Like the video.
And you say
Keep your comments coming.
Eagle Eye Angle.
Yes.
Subscribe.
We have a little Annie here. She's joining and dining with the elders.
She's the one who prepared everything.
Have you divorced her?
Okay. You see, the food is laughing at us. Omi, are you an SRMU? Are you an SRMU? Subscribe, share, and leave your comment and your suggestions. Eagle Eye Angle.
Bye bye.
All the way.